Hi everyone, here we solve the GATE Life Science 2025 question paper from microbiology sections. Now let's see questions. This is the question number 76 from the GATE Excel Life Science paper, which is a matching type questions where group 1 shows the list of some viruses and group 2 it represents the corresponding genetic materials. So we have to match it correctly. So if we see the bacteriophage lambda. It possesses the genetic material as a double-stranded DNA. So P matches with 1. Then if we see the bacteriophage M13, which has a filamentous phage and which is widely used as a cloning and the phage display, and the genetic material it possesses is a single-stranded DNA, and particularly it belongs a genetic material that is single stranded DNA. So it Q matches with 2. So if we see P matches with 1, Q matches with 2. Now coronavirus, if we see the coronavirus, its genetic materials is a single stranded RNA, and particularly it specifically that is it is a single stranded RNA, and it specifically it is a positive sense single stranded RNA. So here it is R matches with option 3. So R matches with option 3. And lastly, it is the reovirus. Its genetic materials is double-stranded RNA. So S matches with 4. So if we see this, so it is matches with 4. So P1, Q2, R3 is 4. P1, Q, so this is wrong. P4, this is also wrong. P1, Q2, R3 is 4. This was the correct answer. Let's see, P1, Q2, this is also wrong. So correct answer for this question, it is the option C. Now let's see the next question, that is question number 78 from the GATE Excel Life Science paper. Here some cell structure of the bacteria is given and corresponding functions is given in column 2. Uh, if we see this table, then we can see their specific functions. The cell wall, the specific functions they possess, that is shape, rigidity, osmotic stress, protection, and prevent of the cell lysis. So cell wall each protects the cell from osmotic lysis. So P matches with 1. If we see the fimri, it is specific functions of fimri. It is the attachment to the surface. So its functions is related to the attachment. So fimri is matches with Q. So Q matches with 2. Then if we see the flagella, specific functions of flagella is with motility and chemotaxis. So if we see this column 2, so R matches with 3. And if we see the functions of the pili, then pili is specifically related to the conjugation or particularly the genetic material transfer. So in this regard, its functions is somewhat related with the genetic material transfers or conjugation. So that's why S is matches with the 4. So the corresponding order of the correct matches is the P1, Q2, R3, S4. Let's see. P1, Q2, R3, S4. So this is the correct answer for this question. And let's see the other options. P1, Q2, this is wrong. P1, Q4, this is also wrong. and P2 or for this is also not correctly matched. So correct answer for this question is option A. So thanks for watching.